Hi, in front of me is REALME Narzo 10 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply lightning edges on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type edges. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Open it and tap on this theme. Name it, choose OK Creative and close an ad. Over here you can customize your edges however you want to. For example, you can change run style, add pattern, select border size, change animation speed, and even adjust it to the notch. When you're done, but you want to leave your current wallpaper, you can always pick one of the sources, like photos. Then select the photo by clicking on it, adjust it, and tap at the top right corner over here. Choose Create. Tap on the theme that you created and choose Enable Wallpaper. Then click on Set As and decide if you want it to be on home screen or home screen and lock screen by clicking on one of the options. So when I click Home button, I can see that my edges were successfully applied. But if you wish to see them when you use your apps, you can always go back into the same Edges app, click on the Home over here, scroll all the way down, tap on the switcher next to Enable Overlay Other App, choose Yes, click on the switcher next to Edges app over here, go back and tap on the same switcher one more time. As you can see, now I can see my edges even when I use apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!